IELTS/TOEFL Vocabulary Lesson 6. Health. Obesity. The state of being extremely overweight. Obesity is causing a number of health problems in the youth. Health scare. A state of anxiety caused by concern about the risk of developing an illness or condition. Suffering chest pains while walking was a real health scare and prompted him to get fitter. To be under the weather. To feel unwell. She could not attend the event as she was feeling under the weather. Health conscious. To be concerned about how your diet and lifestyle are affecting your health. After his sister died young of heart disease, Bill became far more health conscious. Fit as a fiddle. To be in very good health. My father is fit as a fiddle. Road to recovery. The process of becoming healthy again. She's finally on the road to recovery after 3 months of suffering from pneumonia. Do you know the meaning of regime? Tell us in the comments below. Quick revision.